বিশ্ববঙ্গ বাণিজ্য সম্মেলনে বাংলার প্রশংসা। মুখ্যমন্ত্রীর উদ্যোগে রাজ্যের লগ্নির পরিবেশ বললেন শিল্পপতিরা। বিভিন্ন সামাজিক প্রকল্পেরও প্রশংসা করলেন।
Mamta Didi, my heartiest congratulations to you and your government. What a splendid summit you have organized. This summit is consistently becoming bigger and more prestigious, and today we have 20 global partner countries with us. And why is this so? Because Bengal under Mamta Didi means business, and Mamta Didi always means business, and business from her heart.
নিউ টাউনে বিশ্ববঙ্গ বাণিজ্য সম্মেলন, হাজির দেশের শীর্ষ শিল্পপতিরা। তাদের সকলেরই মুখে বাংলার প্রশংসা, এমনকি বাংলায় বিনিয়োগের জন্য আহ্বানও করলেন।
Reliance has had a wonderful experience of doing business in this state. With Didi at the helm, the business community receives a red carpet treatment in Bengal. So friends, come to Bengal and script new and beautiful chapters in Bengal's growth story. And the Honorable Chief Minister, Mamta Didi, once more I assure you that Reliance will always be a reliable partner. One of your own poems has a beautiful Bengali phrase, Mayar Mukh Swargo Sukh. It translates to, a mother's space is the bliss of heaven. It reflects the cultural sentiment in Bengal and beyond, where a mother's love is considered sacred and divine. Empathy for the common people is the guiding principle on all your policies and welfare schemes. This is most striking, seen in your initiatives for the education of the girl child, women's empowerment. All of India needs this kind of inclusive and sustainable model of development so that no Indian is left behind and no region in India is left behind. Today's fast-changing world, India has become a beacon of growth and hope. Within this fast-changing India, Bengal has become a source of growth and hope. Therefore, it is the best time for investing in Bengal as we are marching towards leadership based on technology and the power of our youth. Bengal's strategic location and fast improving physical infrastructure gives the state an enviable edge.
It's a state which has got a vibrant industrial sector and extremely industry-friendly policies now with all the changes that have been made over several years. The focus on the social development, which has also received global acknowledgement, whether it's schemes like Bishwa Bangla to promote Bengal-made products, to Kanyashri to empower girl child, Lakshmi Bhandar for financial empowerment, and Swasthya Sachi to offer healthcare insurance. They address a very important social requirement in the state.
We have, with the Honorable Chief Minister and the bureaucracy here, a very, very supportive and positive-looking, proactive support system that helps if you are having any difficulty. Of course, at times, regulatory processes take some time, but we've always found a keen ear to listen, to understand, and to find a solution. It's a very, very supportive and encouraging environment, and it is because of that that we have the courage and the willingness to continue to invest in the state.
We've now have assets of close to 40,000 crores in the state. We've been investing steadily, and I must say we've had no issues whatsoever. Things have moved fast, clinically, and in a business-like manner. We have another 10,000 crores in the pipeline under implementation.
Must say that the Honorable Chief Minister, I know everybody will say it's a platform, but I must say that the Honorable Chief Minister gives 100% effort to make sure that we progress in the manner she wants to. I must say one thing to her, that in a small way over the last 1 year, we've been trying to invest in the state. And the support not only from her, she's a busy lady, she has lots of things to look after, but from the people who work at the office, from the WBITC, from the other departments of the government. The support I have received, and I'm sure many of you have received over the past 1 year, has been phenomenal.
নিউজ 18 বাংলা।